Alright friends, we have come to the topic of transition. So why we use transition? When I hover the element, or when I move the element to the right, to the left, it doesn't matter. I want it smoothly, not directly. That's why I use transition. So you see, there is lots of features on transition. For example, if I use ease in air, transition applies on the same speed. When I use ease in, ease out, ease in out, you see the differences. When I use ease in, it specifies a transition effect with a slow start. When I use ease out, it specifies a transition effect with a slow end. When I use ease in out, specify a transition effect with a slow start and end, and the rest is same speed. Great. I have also properties. For example, transition duration. I give duration, like how many milliseconds I want to apply this transition. For example, if I say I come here, you see transition 150 gives little duration. So, but transition 700 gives more duration. You can apply this. And then the delay. Delay, set the transition delay of element in milliseconds. For example, if I come here, you see it waits a little bit. But when I come here, it waits too much. So after it starts, I can use it. I have also animation. You can look this page. For example, animate spin. You see, this is animation, animate spin effect. It includes all necessary CSS classes for doing this. Great. So let's apply it. I come here. I have one button. I have button, and then I say, "What's up? What's up?" Okay, I will use Tailwind classes. First, I say BG white. I need background color white, and then I say text zinc 900. Okay, I save it. I refresh. You see, that's my button. Let's create a border. I come here, I say border, and then I give border gray 300, and then I save it. You see my border. So let's give the space between border and the content. So I can give padding. So I give padding horizontal more than padding vertical. That's why I say px5 and then py2, for example. I save it. You see, it becomes like that. Great. And then let's give border radius. I come here, I say rounded x touch, rounded x touch. I give border radius. I apply border radius. Great. It looks good. Okay, when I hover to this button, I want to increase its original size. So I can use scale. So I come here, I say, when I hover to this element, I use scale. Okay, I increase its original size. Let's refresh it. You see, it becomes like that. Great. And then I want to translate above. So when I want to when I hover to this element, I say hover. I use minus translate y because I want it move to the top. I say minus translate y1. If I do that, you see it moves to the top. Great. And then let's apply transition to this button, because when I hover to this element, you see it becomes directly like that. I want it smoothly. So for doing this, we apply transition. I say transition, and then let's give transition duration. For example, duration 500, and then I want ease in out timing function, and then before starting it waits a little bit. I use delay 150. Okay, let's check it. You see, right now it's smoothly pass. It's great. I inspect the element. You see it becomes like that. Great. Let's check these utility classes. You see transition delay gives 150 milliseconds and duration 500 gives transition duration 500 milliseconds. It gives the duration of this transition. It's easy to apply. Great. See you in the next lesson.